Hello, my name is Lisa and today I am designing for Cocoa Daisy. I've got some pieces of my September kit here that I'm going to be playing with, and I'm going to be using this Disney photo here that we took last Halloween. I love that sky. Now I'm going to be using this layout here as inspiration. I'm making a 12 by 12 today. I haven't made one of these for a while on video, and I made this a few days ago, and I'm really happy with it. I really love the design of it and all these little leaves, the way that they kind of overlap the photo, and I was so happy with it that I wanted to use the kind of the feeling, the design, to actually create another layout. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I thought I would show you this one here and we'll create one together. Obviously parts of the kit, this is also from the the September Cocoa Daisy kit, and I've used the vellum leaves that were in the kit. So obviously I don't have any more of those, so I'm going to be using something else. Now as soon as I opened up the kit, I loved this paper and I knew that I wanted to cut out the leaves. So that's what we're going to be doing today to replicate the leaves. I'm going to cut out my photo. I'm taking a white 12 by 12 and I'm going to be cutting this Cocoa Daisy paper here, a strip of this for the centerpiece, and sticking that in place. So this is all in place and I need to cut out the leaves. First of all though, I want to put some paint behind the photo, like what I've done here using an old credit card. I was undecided. I couldn't decide whether to go with the pink or the green, but seeing as I'm using green leaves, I'm going to go with the pink so that I've got a contrast there. And I'm using Dilutions paint as well. I'm going to add some of this antique white behind from Kaiser Colour. I love these paints. So let's pop some of this on. And then I've actually got an old gift card thing here which I'm using. And then we'll add a little bit of the pink as well. I made sure when I cut out my paper that I had the pumpkins on the side as well, not just in the middle, because I knew that they would be covered up. Add a little bit of texture and making sure that my photo there doesn't cover too much, and I'm going to leave that to dry. Now whilst I'm leaving my work to dry, I always like to try and get on with something else, so this is the perfect time to start cutting out the leaves. So I've cut out some of these leaves and I'm now just going to kind of work them around the photo to see what works best, and I always do this and then stick them down afterwards. I might do that like that. I want them looking like they're part of the photo. Actually that one looks quite nice like that. Do want something out of the top, so I think I'm just going to cut out some extra leaves and just pop them peeping over the top, and then I'll stick them all down. It's now time to get this photo stuck on. I'm only going to stick the tape down the middle so that way I can add any leaves and that however I want. I love the fact that I use this tape, this double-sided tape, because it means if I'm not 100% happy with anything, I can easily just change my mind. Let's see, let's try it like that. I do tend to change my mind quite a bit when I'm making things, so this tape really suits me. I can't remember how I had it before, so I'm just kind of trying again to see how it looks. I might do it like that. Have this one down the bottom. Do I want something there? I might cut something else and see how that looks. And that's how I'm going to leave my leaves for the time being. I'm not going to stick them all down. I quite like them looking a bit more wild. Do need something else on the page though, so I'm going to have a look through the kit and see what else I've got to use. I've decided to go with these pieces, which I'm now going to stick down. I really wanted to bring in the orange from the paper just to tie everything in. I'm kind of going to layer these up as well. I've just got some chipboard and some stickers to make the final touches. So I've added stickers, the die cuts all down, and I've got chipboard like that. Was going to do some journaling, and actually I've decided to elaborate on the title and turn my favourite season and add in Disney. And I've got these little alphabet stickers here. I think these were from the Pocket Kit, so I'm going to add these. And here we have it, the finished layout. I've finished the title. I started journaling, and actually I decided I didn't like the look of it, and what I was journaling wasn't really relevant to the page. It wasn't that important, just the location and where it was. And to be honest, I'm doing other pages that go with that so much better. So I've added a sticker over the top instead. Then I thought that one sticker looked a bit odd with that one there, so I've added this one underneath. Sometimes things kind of happen and you just go with it. But this was the original inspiration, the layout that I made a couple of days ago, and now I have this one here. So if you want to scrap lift this, feel free. It's simply one plain page, one strip of paper, photos in the middle, and then do something to add the border around the outside. Obviously I've used these larger leaves here, and I've cut out these leaves like this. So I would love to know if you would like to scrap lift this, if you do something similar. If you have a blog or post it anywhere, please leave a link below. I would love to see, and please leave me a comment below and tell me what subject are you scrapbooking right now. Are you scrapbooking lots of fall photos as well? I would love to know what is your current scrapbooking project that's on the go. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.